Human physiology. Topic: Physiology of kidney. Renal system or urinary system has maximum excretory capacity, and so it plays a major role in homeostasis. Renal system includes 1. A pair of kidneys produce the urine. 2. Ureters transport the urine to urinary bladder. 3. Urinary bladder stores the urine. 4. Urethra. Urine is warded from bladder through urethra. Functional anatomy of kidney. Kidney is a compound tubular gland covered by a connective tissue capsule. There is a depression on the medial border of kidney called hilum, through which renal artery, renal veins, nerves and ureter pass. Different layers of kidney. Components of kidney are arranged in 3 layers. 1. Outer cortex. 2. Inner medulla. 3. Renal sinus. 1. Outer cortex, dark and granular in appearance. 2. Inner medulla. It contains tubular and vascular structures arranged in parallel radial lines. Medullary mass is divided into 8 to 18 medullary pyramids. 3. Renal sinus. Renal sinus consists of the following structures: I. Upper expanded part of ureter called renal pelvis. 2 subdivisions of pelvis, 2 or 3 major calyces and about 8 minor calyces. 3 branches of nerves, arteries and tributaries of veins. 4 loose connective tissues and fat. Tubular structures of kidney. Kidney is made up of closely arranged tubular structures called uriniferous tubules. Uriniferous tubules include 1. Terminal or secretory tubules called nephrons, which are concerned with formation of urine. 2. Collecting ducts or tubules, which are concerned with transport of urine from nephrons to pelvis of ureter. The functions of kidney are: role in homeostasis, hemopoietic function, endocrine function, regulation of blood pressure, regulation of blood calcium level, role in homeostasis, excretion of waste products, maintenance of water balance, maintenance of electrolyte balance, maintenance of acid-base balance. Hemopoietic function. Kidneys stimulate the production of erythrocytes by secreting erythropoietin. Erythropoietin is the important stimulating factor for erythropoiesis. Kidney also secretes another factor called thrombopoietin, which stimulates the production of thrombocytes. Endocrine function. Kidneys secrete many hormonal substances in addition to erythropoietin and thrombopoietin. Hormones secreted by kidneys: 1. Erythropoietin, 2. Thrombopoietin, 3. Renin, 4.1 25-dehydroxydrocalciferol, 5. Prostaglandins. Regulation of blood pressure. Kidneys play an important role in the long-term regulation of arterial blood pressure by 2 ways. I. By regulating the volume of extracellular fluid. 2. Through renin-angiotensin mechanism. Regulation of blood calcium level. Kidneys play a role in the regulation of blood calcium level by activating 1,25-dehydroxydrocalciferol into vitamin D. Vitamin D is necessary for the absorption of calcium from intestine. Thank you.